Having an open account where somebody owes you money, it's tough to get any money from them because you're just left trying to call them, asking for payment, hoping that they reciprocate and pay you for what you've done for them. But once you take the steps to actually get a judgment, which is a lawsuit that you have a judge determine that yes, that person does owe you money, then you can take that judgment, that signed paper from the judge, and you can take it and record it with the county records, which allows you then to put a lien on any real property the person owns in that county. And then that is a protection against you in case they try to later sell the home, or you could even try to foreclose on the property that you have a lien against. A judgment also is an ability for you to, if you know of property that they own, that you can execute against that property, which just simply means you could try to possess that property and take that property from them to satisfy your debt. It also allows you to try to garnish wages if you know where they work, and it's an added protection for you to be able to recoup the money that you're owed for the work and services that you provided. Yeah, once you have a judgment against somebody, you can take it to the county sheriff and give them instructions on what property you think that person may own, like a car, or if you know where they work, you can instruct them to go to their employment, and they're the ones that actually, as custodians, will go in and garnish those wages or execute on that property and try to repossess it. And so really it's a pretty painless process where you actually pay a small fee to the sheriff to have them do the legwork for you. Yeah, judgments here in Idaho are good for 10 years. And so if you're unable to locate any property or can't find that person for even 10 years, then you have an opportunity to renew that judgment to extend that time. But in most cases, you'll be allowed to collect against that person for 10 years. Yeah, once you have a judgment against somebody, you can actually bring them into court in front of a judge and have them under oath tell you what property they own or where they work or where they bank, and try to collect information in order to successfully collect against them. This process is called a debtor's exam, and it's required for them to come in and give that information to you through the court.